All right, we're returning now to a big story. Just about an hour ago, the train that derailed in the state of Bengal and was heading to Guwahati. We have all the latest information that is coming in. This is a big and developing story. We will try and bring you only the latest that is coming in. But it does appear, tragically, with the information coming in, that about 2 people have succumbed in the Bikaner train incident. The correct verified information that we have right now is that we can confirm to you 12 bogies of the Bikaner-Guwahati Express derails near the Jalpaiguri and Bikaner-Guwahati specifically is the train. 30 ambulances have been rushed to the spot. So, of course, an absolutely horrible incident that has taken place. Several are feared trapped in the mishap. The rescue officers, of course, the teams are there on the spot and trying to ensure that as many people as they can possibly be brought out. Take a look at these visuals on your screen. Of course, from the looks of it, it does appear to be a massive incident. But while the rescue operations are on, 2 confirmed dead in the Bikaner train incident, the train that was heading to Guwahati in Assam. Several feared injured in the mishap. The train was basically going from Patna in Bihar to Guwahati in Assam. So the derailment of the passenger train, this is in Alipurdwar division of the NF Railways, and Prema Rajaram, my colleague, is there on the spot trying to get us all the latest. Prema, it appears sadly there have been some fatal casualties also in this incident. What is the current status? Where did it happen? And what are the rescue operations that are currently on? What is the status of that? Please tell us all the latest.
At this point in time, Pooja, what we know is that around 3 people are said to be dead in this incident, several injured, and what we know is that the injured have been taken to the nearby hospitals, including New Jalpaiguri District Hospital, North Bengal Medical Hospital, and other hospitals as well. There are rescue teams on the spot, and more teams are reaching the spot, including the NDRF and other railway officials also to reach the spot to assess the situation and what could have taken place and why the train derailed. What we know, Pooja, is that the incident took place around 5:15 p.m. and the train was going from Damohani station. It had left from there, and that is a little after that is when this incident took place. But the reason is yet to be certain what led to this accident. But several people said to
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inquires about the accident from Mamata Banerjee, the Bengal Chief Minister. That's the big news that's coming in. So there is an immediate message that has gone from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee about what exactly happened and what is the current status. This, remember, about the Bikaner-Guwahati train that has derailed in Bengal, specifically in the Jalpaiguri area. Sadly, there appears to have been 2 people confirmed dead, and what we are receiving in information is that the numbers may increase, but for now, 2 dead, and in fact, numbers increasing. 3 dead also we are now getting to know after the Bikaner Express, the passenger train derailed. That happened at about 17 hours, which is 5 p.m. New Jalpaiguri, New Cooch Behar area, and between stations of New Damohani and New Mainogiri. That has happened, but of course the relief operations are currently on. Railway and district administration officials are attempting rescue and relief work. 30 ambulances are on the stop there in the region. Prema Rajaram for the latest. Prema, as we are mentioning too, there's an update that it could be 3 dead. So, of course, this appears to be a developing story. What a tragic incident. Can you also confirm to us how many bogies that were derailed? Where did it exactly happen? What is the rescue operation? And what is the confirmed fatality that has come to you for now?
What we know, Pooja, is around 12 bogies are said to be derailed, and this incident took place around 5:15 p.m. this evening. And the reason why this derailment took place is yet to be ascertained by railway officials. But at this point in time, what we know is that 3 people officially are said to be dead in this incident, and several injured. The injured have been taken to nearby hospitals. hospitals, including the Mainaguri Hospital and the New Jalpaiguri District Hospital, North Bengal Medical College as well. Apart from that, there is rescue relief operations that are on at this moment. The NDRF team to reach the spot as well to carry out rescue operations. Senior railway officials to reach the spot to assess the situation, what went wrong, and also to ascertain what is the next step, because several people are said to be injured in this incident, and like you mentioned, about 30 ambulances at the spot at this point in time. Back to you, Pooja.
All right, Prema Rajaram telling us about all the latest. Remember, because it is such a sensitive information that is coming in, we would only put out what is absolutely verified. And because there are families concerned, this was a passenger train. Bikaner Guwahati was coming from Patna heading to Guwahati and has derailed in West Bengal, specifically in the Jalpaiguri area, which means the North Bengal medical fraternity. The doctors have also now been put on a high alert. But Prema also is telling us 12 bogies of the passenger train has been derailed. There have been some fatal casualties as well. About 3 in number is what we are confirming right now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already spoken and has dialed Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Remember, there was already a COVID meeting with the state chief ministers that was on, and that is where then this confirmation also came, and Prime Minister Modi has spoken to the Chief Minister about the status of this incident. So absolutely terrible incident. These visuals are clearly telling us that the impact could be very high. For now, we know that the rescue operations are on, and of course 30 ambulances already on the spot, and one by one, as and when there are emergency numbers that have been brought out. So of course concerned, anxious families can dial on those emergency numbers and try to find out about the status of the situation. But this was the Bikaner Guwahati Express that I can tell you. North Bengal Medical Hospital has also been put on alert. This was specifically about between stations New Damohani and New Mainaguri, which is the New Jalpaiguri, New Coach Behar area. And already for now, this was train number 15633. And that is where this now incident has taken place. So the big news coming in, remember, emergency numbers that have been put out. We'll of course put out those numbers as well. So if you're watching India Today, and if by any chance you have a family member who was on this passenger train, you can call on that number. Try to reach out to the doctors, but we can tell you right now that the railway helpline numbers have come out. North Bengal Medical Hospital has been put on alert. All doctors and medical staff have been asked to report as soon as possible in that area, because that is where the region where this incident, very tragic, has taken place. 12 bogies derailed. 3 people confirmed dead. Injuries already being reported. But as you can see from this multi-window that we are showing to you, that there are, of course, rescue personnel who have rushed to the spot. 30 ambulances on the job. Rescue operations are underway. But a tragic incident that took place at about 5 p.m. today in Bengal in the Jalpaiguri area. Of course, as we can see that the crowd of people already there, these must be the local residents trying to help out the rescue personnel on the job as well. And of course, the persons who are personnel involved in the rescue would want to ensure that they can try and bring out as many injured people as possible who could be fear trapped at this point. The incident happened at about 5 p.m. Just taking you through again, so that if you've joined India Today 6 p.m. prime just now, these were 12 coaches derailed. Accident took place at about 5:15 sharp. Railway police is on the spot. The National Disaster Response Force, the NDRF, is also reaching there and being rushed to the spot. Train was going to Guwahati via Patna, and in Bengal, that is where the incident took place. 30 ambulances have been rushed to the spot. And now we can already also tell you, Prema will confirm to us, a high-level Commissioner Railway Safety Inquiry has been ordered. Prema, because you've been tracking all the latest, can we say that a high-level inquiry has now been ordered? Because of course we cannot at this point precisely know what happened. Has any cause or reason has come out just yet about what happened at the accident?
Right now, no cause has been asserted as to what led to this incident taking place, what led to the derailment of these coaches. Because I've been mentioning about 12 coaches that what we know are said to be derailed, which has led to some casualties. What we know is that the number of casualties yet to come out, but what we also know that several people have been injured. They have been taken to the hospitals nearby, including the North Bengal Medical College, Menaguri Hospital, as well as the New Jalpaiguri District Hospital. So several people are said to be injured in this incident. There are rescue teams at the spot, and there is also a high-level Commissioner Railway Safety Inquiry ordered into this incident. Like you were also mentioning, Pooja, the Prime Minister has also inquired about this incident from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. So right now, there is developments coming in of this horrific incident that took place when the coaches derailed of the train that was travelling from Bikaner to Guwahati.
All right, Prema Rajaram telling us, and of course, while the visuals that are coming in, of course, cannot even imagine right now the trap that some of the passengers are fear trapped in this accident. But we'll try and put out only verified information because the matter is sensitive. It is a developing story, but sadly, 3 deaths have been confirmed. Many passengers right now fear trapped and injured, but rescue personnel are on the job. There are, of course, locals around as well. They are trying to bring out as many people as they can. We're also being told that a high-level commissioner inquiry has been now put forth into this incident. And at about 5 p.m., that is just about an hour ago, this was the Bikaner Guwahati Express. That
हम देखे हल्ला मच गया है, भागा-दौड़ी हो गया है, तो नीचे उतर के देखा तो आगे का सारा डिब्बा डस्ट डिब्बा गिरा हुआ था और बाकी हालत खराब था, आदमी मैंने गिरा पड़ा था, वो था
मारा गया। कौन सा ट्रेन है
ये गुवाहाटी बीकानेर एक्सप्रेस है, बीकानेर से आया है।
कहाँ जा रहा था?
गुवाहाटी जा रहा है।
कितना बजे हुआ है?
ये तो करीब अभी आधा घंटा पहले हुआ होगा।
अच्छा, अभी तो अंधकार हो गया। अंधकार में ऐसा
नहीं, पहले तो अंधकार नहीं था। जब
अभी कहाँ जा रहा था? आप कहाँ जा रहा है?
अभी मैं बस पकड़ूंगा, इधर गाड़ी देखते हैं कहाँ स्टेशन है।
आपका नाम?
मेरा दीपक भराड़ी।
कहाँ घर?
मेरा गुवाहाटी में है घर, कामरूप डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
की नाम?
दीपक भराड़ी।
All right, so these are, of course, eyewitness accounts and some of the people who either saw the accident or were fear trapped and have, of course, miraculously managed to escape. Milan Sharma, who closely tracks the Railway Ministry, is also now joining me. Milan, while Prema Rajaram is telling us what is the status on the ground, what are you picking up from the Railway Ministry about specifically which of the bogies that could have had maximum impact? We're also hearing about senior officials of the Railway Ministry who are going to be heading to this accident spot. What can you tell us as verified information now, Milan?
Well, yes, Pooja, it's a developing incident at the moment, and as we're getting information, the Union Railway Ministry has said that the Chairman Railway Board as well as the Director General of the Union Railways Board here in Delhi will be rushing to the spot of this accident at the moment. We've not been confirmed which are these bogies or coaches that have been actually impacted, but we are listening to confirmed reports of 3 people having lost their lives in this incident. A helpline number has also been issued for the moment, but right now we are looking at another information that has come in, where the DRM and the ADRM from that zone have also rushed to the site. A high-level inquiry of the safety aspect of this accident will be done, and that committee is already being constituted at the moment, because this happens to be an accident that has happened after a very, very long time. We have seen how safety was a bigger concern of the railways, and right now we are looking at this particular mishap that has taken place where 3 people have lost their lives. Which is why this safety level inquiry has been constituted, and the matter will be investigated, is what the Union Railway Ministry at the moment is saying.
All right, Milan, stay with me because I want our viewers to know, as you can see on the screen down below, the railway helpline numbers are being put forth so that if you by any chance have a passenger, a family member who was on this train, you can call on that, check the status. But just take a look at these visuals. Clearly it appears that the impact has been massive. Some of the bogies are completely topsy-turvy when they derailed. We are hearing of 12 bogies that were derailed, and also as information is coming in from our reporters on the ground, at least two to three bogies have suffered maximum impact. We're of course hopeful that as many people as can possible by the rescue of personnel on the job will be able to bring out. But as we can see that it would be, remember, very difficult the manner in which these bogies have also been derailed. But 30 ambulances on the spot, NDRF team is rushing, and as reporters are telling us that the chairman, Railway Board, and also the DG Safety are heading already to the location from National Capital Delhi. So sadly 3 people confirmed dead, but we can also see that some of those passengers are being rescued with bags on their shoulder, trying to catch whatever luggage they can to probably get out of that situation and miraculously escape this very tragic incident that has taken place. All right, we have updates coming in from our sister channel Aaj Tak. We're also cutting across to what
क्या 3 लोगों के मारे जाने की पुष्टि और 12 लोगों के घायल होने की पुष्टि आप करते हैं? इस तरह की जानकारी आज तक के पास आई है?
अभी हमारे पास कंफर्म न्यूज़ इसके बारे में नहीं है।
शशि किरण जी, आप ये नंबर्स तो बता रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि क्या जानकारी व्यवस्थित हो पाई है? क्योंकि जो रिश्तेदार होंगे, आप खुद ही बता रहे हैं 300 से ज्यादा लोग बीकानेर से चढ़े थे, वो सभी इस वक्त बहुत ज्यादा डरे हुए होंगे, सब एक के बाद एक इन फोन नंबर्स को घुमाएंगे। तो सिर्फ मीडिया में ये नंबर्स नहीं, जानकारी क्या उनको वाकई मिल पाई कि इन फोन नंबर्स पर? ये क्रूशियल रहेगा।
जैसे एकदम रियल टाइम पे अपडेट हो रहा है और तुरंत अभी हम मीडिया के सारे ग्रुप्स में ये सूचना तुरंत देने वाले हैं कि कितना वहां से साइट से रिपोर्ट आते ही तुरंत डाल देंगे कि कितने हताहत हुए हैं और कितने घायल हुए हैं इसके बारे में।
कुछ जानकारी इस बाबत है कि किन परिस्थितियों में ये हादसा हुआ? इम्पैक्ट तो तगड़ा दिख ही रहा है। अगर 12 बोगियां पटरी से उतरी, 4 से 5 पलट गई, क्या इसका भी कंफर्मेशन आप कर सकते हैं?
यस, बोगियां पलटी हैं और इसमें कमिश्नर रेलवे सेफ्टी के द्वारा जांच के आदेश दिए गए हैं। तो जांच के बाद ही पता चल पाएगा क्या कारण था, बट ये हम कह सकते हैं कि इसमें एक दुर्घटना का काफी गंभीर रूप है और इसके कारणों पे भी तुरंत जांच की जाएगी।
गंभीर घटना आप भी इसे बता रहे हैं, नहीं वो तो हम तस्वीरों से ही देख रहे हैं। दूसरी तरफ क्या रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस के बारे में आप हमें मोटी बात बता पाएंगे? सीपीआरओ साहब का लगता है फोन कट गया है। आप किरण, सीपीआरओ साहब को सुन रहे थे जिनका ये कहना था कि अभी तक के
All right, that was of course the CPRO of the railways, and Captain Kiran right now telling us what possibly he can at this moment. But what I can tell you, and India Today also has been flashing the emergency railway numbers so that they can catch on some of the updates. Of course, it will be very difficult at this point for even families to really understand what is the status on the ground with regard to the passengers. Prema, would it be correct to say from the information coming in that there were at least more than 300 passengers on the train who boarded from Bikaner? This was and going via Patna, then to Guwahati, where it was the final destination. The incident happened here. So 300 passengers on this train, of which 12 bogies derailed and 2 to 3 have suffered, as it appears from the visuals, maximum impact.
Yes, what we know is that around 308 passengers were said to have boarded this train, which was going from Bikaner to Guwahati via Patna, and this incident took place around 5 p.m. Around 12 bogies are said to be derailed, out of which around 4 to 5 bogies are said to have toppled over. That is what we are getting to know. Several people injured, being taken to the hospitals. The doctors and other staff at North Bengal Medical College have been put on alert to rush to attend to those who have been injured. And what we also know is that a high-level inquiry has been ordered already into this incident. So several factors being looked at as to see what led to this incident, which led to the derailment of this train. And the incident occurred just when the train had left, a few minutes after it had left New Domahani station. So the incident occurred between New Domahani and New Moinaguri stations. This is at North Bengal, and around 300 passengers were said to be on the train at that point in time. Back to you, Pooja.
All right, so Prema is telling us that more than 300 passengers were on board, and of course, we will hope, we will pray that most of them will be able to, of course, come out safely from this tragic accident.
स्थल में था, उधर अचानक झटका लगा और बाकी उल्टी हो गया।
हाँ, ये ट्रेन कौन सा ट्रेन था?
ये गुवाहाटी एक्सप्रेस है।
कहाँ से कहाँ जाना था?
हमको जाना था ना, न्यू जलपाईगुड़ी से बोंगाई को जाना था।
हाँ, तो कैजुअलिटी
तो 2-4 डब्बा पूरा बुरी तरह से कैजुअलिटी हुआ है।
हाँ।
2-4 डब्बा, पीछे वाला डब्बा, आगे में भी 1-2 डब्बा।
क्यों हुआ ये?
ओवर स्पीड होगा।
और एक्सीडेंट जो है, हम S1 में थे, हमारा डिब्बा तो बच गया है। बाकी अचानक जब मैंने हम धक्का लगा तब हम देखे हल्ला मच गया है, भागा दौड़ी हो गया है। तो नीचे उतर के देखा तो आगे का सारा डिब्बा, 10 डिब्बा गिरा हुआ था और बाकी हालत ख़राब था, आदमी मैंने गिरा पड़ा था।
All right, so the first eyewitness accounts that our reporters on the ground are bringing to you, and now we can confirm that the chairperson, Railway Board, the Director General Safety are rushing to the spot. Also, the Jalpaiguri station area and specifically the Alipurdwar Junction Railway Division senior officers are rushing to the spot. The incident that happened at about 5 p.m. Further details coming in that this was 12 coaches that have derailed, and this was the 12 bogies that have derailed of the Bikaner Guwahati near the Jalpaiguri area. And for now, of course, eyewitness accounts are telling us about the manner in which the incident took place, what was the sudden impact, and the rescue operations are on the job. Quick update again from Prema Rajaram. Prema, what about the senior officers? Because even if they leave that area, where did this happen? Is it going to be time till the senior officers manage to reach the exact spot where this accident has taken place?
The accident took place between New Domohani and New Moinaguri station, so it will be challenging for the officers, the senior officers, to reach the spot. However, they will at some point in time have to reach the spot to assess what led to this incident taking place, because 12 coaches have derailed and about 5 coaches we hear are said to have turned total, and apart from that, several people injured. What we are picking up is around 20 people are said to be injured and 3 dead. That is what we are getting at this point in time. So those who are injured are taken to the various hospitals close by, and the doctors at North Bengal Medical College have been told to be on an alert. Also, we must remember, Pooja, this is the winter season, so there could be several factors. It could be fog or other factors that have to be ascertained that led to the things going in such a manner that led to the derailment of this particular train, which was travelling from Bikaner to Guwahati and carrying around 308 passengers. So several factors yet to be ascertained as the rescue operations are on the spot, and 51 ambulances there as well. Back to you, Pooja.
Right, absolutely heartbreaking visuals coming in. As you can see, 12 bogies is a big number of a passenger train 15633 Bikaner Guwahati derailed in the New Jalpaiguri area. Senior officers are rushing to the spot. Even from Delhi, the chairperson, Railway Board, and the Director General Safety will be rushing to Bengal, where this incident has happened. Remember, there were passengers 308 who boarded from Bikaner. This was a train going via Patna, via Bengal, and eventually the final destination was Guwahati in Assam. The incident that has taken place, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already dialed and spoken to Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee about the status of the situation. Unfortunately, 3 people confirmed dead, while 20 people confirmed have received injuries. Milan Sharma with all the latest. Milan, so which are the senior officials that you can tell us of the Railway Ministry that are heading? What is the exact number? Any update that we can confirm to our viewers right now? Milan, over to you. So Milan Sharma, remember, has been tracking all the latest, and at this point, remember, all our reporters are trying to get as much information as they can from their respective sources in the ministry or in the railways, and that is why our colleagues are constantly updating us. And Prema Rajaram, while in Bengal, is telling us what is the status on the ground. Prema, because you're with us and you're consistently getting information from exactly on the spot, eyewitnesses accounts are also on. The emergency numbers are out. But at this point, how much time do you think it will take to really get an understanding of the number of injuries? Because we can see there are individuals rushing with a bag that they can possibly get hold of. Many would be feared trapped. We do not want to sound alarming or panic, but the fact is at this situation, many passengers would be feared trapped, and rescue operations are on the job. Rescue personnel must be trying to get as many people out at this point.
Absolutely, Pooja. At this point in time, even as rescue operations are underway, it is challenging considering the fact that out of the 12 bogies that have derailed, around 5 are said to have turned turtle, and people who have feared to be trapped. Remember, 300 passengers on board, and we also heard the eyewitness talk about what happened and what did transpire at that point in time. So railway officials will have to reach the spot to assess what went wrong. The place where this incident took place is in North Bengal between New Damahani and New Jalpaiguri stations, and what we know is that the divisional manager along with several officers including the safety officer and commercial officer of Alipur Junction Railway Division have left for the incident. So various senior officials reaching the spot, not just from various parts of West Bengal but also from Delhi, to ascertain what has led to this incident taking place. It will be challenging, of course, to see whether there are any feared trapped, considering the fact that out of the 12 bogies, 5 are said to have turned turtle, and right now we know that 20 have been injured and 3 are dead in this incident, and there are rescue teams at the spot. The NDRF also reaching the spot, while 51 ambulances there to see that those who are injured can be taken to the hospital, others who are injured at the spot needing medical attention. So various aspects are being looked at into while catering to those who have been injured in this incident. Back to you, Pooja.